Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be drawing and painting a picture of the Roblox character Dusekkar. My son plays Roblox quite a bit, and I was inspired by some of the characters. Actually, I think this, if I'm not mistaken, I think the Dusekkar is just the hat that this character wears. It's a blue pumpkin with yellow eyes and antlers. I think that's correct. I'm not quite sure what the body is that I saw on this guy. I know they made a toy of him. My son's got some of the Roblox toys, but anyway, I thought it'd be a good one to draw, especially with Halloween coming up, because he's kind of got the spooky pumpkin head. So for him, I started with just a pencil outline, and then I'm going over it with some inks and inking it all up. And then once the inks are dry, I'm going to go over it with watercolor. And this particular character is gray. It looks like he's got some robes on, so I'm going to paint those up. Anyway, if anybody knows more about the Dusekkar, if I'm even saying that right, I'm not sure if it's Dusekkar or Dusekkar or Dusekkar. I'm not really sure. My son didn't know a whole lot about him. But if you know anything about him, leave me a comment and let me know. I'd like to learn. And hope you enjoy the rest of this little painting video. And if there's anybody you would like me to paint, let me know. My son plays the jailbreak a bit, so I was thinking about maybe painting one of the police officers or the prisoners, but I'm still learning about Roblox. So if there's any particular character that you think would be neat to see painted, please let me know. I haven't really played Roblox a whole lot. I'm not very good at it. I've tried playing it on the iPad with my son, the Doomspire Brick Battle, and I'm horrible at it, and it's very frustrating. But I don't know, maybe you guys know of an easier game for a noob like me to play. Let me know. Anyway, hope you enjoy this painting of the Dusekkar, or Dusekkar. Hey guys, hope you liked that video. Thanks for watching. If you did like it, go ahead and hit a like down there for me, or subscribe. And if there's anything you would like to see me draw, just leave a comment and I'll get right to it and give you a shout out. Thank you very much. Have a good day.